Welcome to Highway Homestead. This is not a good video. I don't know if you've seen our video showcasing our garden, what we've done, how it looked the other day. But let's just say nature didn't want us to have a good garden right now.
Well, the roosters are crowing, gotta rise and shine. Daylight's a burning, ain't got a lot of time. When the day is over and the work's all done, we'll sing and dance and have a little fun.
We'll start with our cucumbers. I don't know if you can see that, but a rabbit has decided to come and feast on our cucumbers. Every one of them's had leaves nipped off of it. This one has been nipped down to basically nothing. Then you come over here to our back to Eden. It's ate Courtney's whatever she just said.
Nasturtium.
Nasturtium.
And my sunflower tops.
Ate the sunflowers.
Oh,
Every green bean, as far as that rabbit could reach, it has nipped the leaves off. You can see from the ground up, goes up, and then leaves start again as it's climbing. The sunflowers have been eaten.
Look at the whole row.
Every single one of them has been nipped at. Here's this row of green beans, guys. The rabbit. In 3 days, we've had T-ball and couldn't get up here and fence it in, and it has wiped it out. We have purple green beans over here it's ate at. I think we've got 3 of those that haven't been touched. Our sweet potatoes started eating them, which it's hard to see, but they have. It started eating the sweet potatoes. And Kale, in his squash garden, it started eating squash, the squash plant. So what I'm gonna do tonight is take some garden fence and put around at least the green beans and sweet potatoes. I'm pretty sure Courtney has just discovered that the rabbit has been eating the carrot tops. Hopefully not the beets, but carrot tops it's been eating at. And you can see our kids are distraught because we've worked so hard to eat this, or to grow this, and then here comes some rabbits and just eat everything. We'll try to take this as a learning opportunity to teach them that this is part of homesteading, this is part of farming. You can't plan for this, but we're going to try to prevent it by fencing in our gardens. Temporarily right now we've got 50 feet of garden fence that I'm going to put up, and then I guess we'll be making a trip to Rural King here soon. Also, you can see Courtney's beautiful elderberries, how they're full of berries, or at least the beginning of berries. So we're hoping for a good harvest there. But, you know, nature, birds will probably eat them. So, after our rabbit, ravaged our plants, we came in with some garden fence and put up to protect some flowers Courtney's planted, some sunflowers. Our green beans are finally looking like they might survive. That flower, I can't remember what that is, it's an edible flower. Our green beans, but you can see that we have now perimeterized our most, I guess, delectable plants that the rabbits like to eat, such as sweet potatoes and green beans and some cucumbers. I came up here around the cucumbers and put up another fence. All right, we gotta go back. All right, I'm back after that technical difficulty, aka a downpour. Back up here, as I was saying, we've got fence around our cucumbers, and I put up some chicken wire. It's about 2 feet tall with some poly posts. Just quick, put it in to keep the rabbits out. Everything looks to be doing pretty good besides what the caterpillars are eating, or bugs, whatever. Most of it's caterpillars, especially our cabbage. They're enjoying those. As you can see, our potatoes are starting to brown and fall over. Onions are looking good, but everything seems to have survived now that we've put this up. There's no more signs of a rabbit eating our food. So it's a win right now. But like I said, around the cucumbers, and then we put it around our green beans and sunflowers and sweet potatoes. Just the real tender stuff that the rabbits really like to eat. So we're hoping that'll keep it out as long as a herd of deer don't come through and decide that it wants it next. So this is Highway Homestead saying goodbye. We'll see you next time